What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam and today we are unboxing and setting up this gigantic LED grow light from Mars Hydro. So, Mars Hydro reached out to me a while back and they offered me initially a grow tent and I think they were going to send me the light as well to go in the grow tent, and I was going to be able to show you guys some ways that we could use something like that in our houses. I thought it would be especially helpful, you know, with spring coming. A lot of people aren't able to garden or grow vegetables outside. I was like, I'll show them how to do it in a grow tent. Wouldn't that be fun? Unfortunately, they were not able to send the grow light, so I got a light to unbox and show you guys today. Oof. This is Mars Hydro's SP250 LED grow light. And as you can see, head test, it's huge. Oh boy, this thing is big. How am I going to hang this up? See, the trouble is with the tent, I would have had something to hang this from, but I don't have that, so we're gonna have to see if I can get this to hang from the setup that I have right now, which has a smaller and lighter light on it. But I will update you guys in about a month and let you know how I'm liking the light and how it's working out with, obviously, a lot of vegetable starts right now. So here's what we're looking at inside the box. As you can see, it is a beefy light. Hey, no fighting. No fighting. Okay, so here is the attachment that you would use to hang this from a grow tent. Okay, so here is the light. You can see it is a big bar. This is sturdy. This definitely does not feel cheap. Okay, I think what I will do is maybe take that power source, or whatever this is. It's the middleman of the power. It's the power thing. The power thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to take the power thing off of it, I think, because that feels like a good chunk of the weight, and then I think I might be able to hang it. My arms are tired. Oh my god. This is like... Ugh. I mean, you can't go to the gym anymore, right? So this could double as some exercise equipment. Okay, stop it. Okay. It says use light under regulated voltage. I don't know what that means. Don't look at the light directly. That is good to know because I probably would have done that. Yeah, I think we all know I would have done that. Okay, so this looks like a really nice light. I'm excited to give it a shot. Oh, that's the driver. The little power source thingy. It's called the driver. Just because I sound stupid doesn't mean I am, okay? Mars Hydro wanted me to let you know some things that I don't really understand either. It says it's full of heat sinks, which gives you better heat dissipation. I think that would be the ridges, little ridgy things. It has a dimmable mean-well driver, which gives it a longer lifespan. It has glue-covered LED diodes, making it waterproof. It has infrared LEDs to help with flowering, and it has no fans and therefore makes no noise, supposedly, unlike my cats. Great. So, I'm gonna go pull my hair out and try to figure out how to put this thing up for you guys, and then I will show it to you. Okay, great. First thing I did was take off that driver off the back of the light. This weighs a couple pounds, so with my setup not being super strong right now, I didn't want to add any additional extra weight. So this is just going to sit on the floor by the outlet that I'm plugging the light into. Okay, friends, so I did manage to pull this off. So this whole room is just held together by duct tape, so don't mind me. So this little bar here came from an old stand for a much smaller grow light. And what I did was I attached the top of it to a cheap backdrop / light stand that I had laying around. And I connected the other side into my little black shelf that I have over here where I'm starting some seeds with another light that I can't wait to get rid of. We're not going to use that light anymore. It sucks way too much power. We're going all LED from now on. But anyway, so This light, I have it connected to that, and I was able to use the connecting pieces that they sent with the light, so it worked out pretty good. I just basically had to loop the hooks over here, whereas if they were in a tent, you know, there would be one hook here and then one hook on the ceiling. But we worked it out, we figured it out. So I got it up as high as I could get it, just to back it up off the veggies, because these lights are very strong. You can see, like, they're very, very, very bright. So I've had this running for 3 days now. I did have footage that I took the day that I set it up, but because it took me a couple days to edit most of the video, I wanted to give you a more updated shot of everything under the lights. So you can see the spread on this is really good. So you can see, like, back here, none of these plants are really leaning, and that tells me that the light's spreading really well across the whole canopy of this absurd amount of seedlings that I have started. So, but yeah, I'm really pleased with it so far. It is definitely silent. It doesn't make any noise. I have to say, I'm very impressed with this light. So far, so good. It seems to be treating all the plants that I've put under here pretty well. I think the distance seems pretty good so far. It's only been a few days, but usually if plants are getting too much, you know, sun, you'll be able to tell. So while I don't know if this would be the best option for houseplants, I think it's a little bright. If you were able to put it, you know, up high and perhaps like in some kind of a recessed ceiling so that this light didn't bother you, then this might be usable for houseplants. But I think this is more of a gardener light, a seed starting light. And if you wanted to do cacti and succulents, I think would do really well under here. And it doesn't get very warm. There is some warmth here, but it's much less than, say, that kind of light over there, which is just a CFL T5 light. Can't get that light to come up any higher in the shelf, and it's definitely not making my seedlings very happy. So I'm looking forward to getting some of these flowers out of here and into the hoop house outside in a few days, so that I have more room under here for things like the peppers that aren't going to go out for a little while. I thought I would show you guys how I am powering these lights as well. I actually just picked another one of these up. What that is just a timer, and it enables you to set, this one actually has, I think, 12 different timer settings, which is pretty crazy. But I just used the first one, and it comes on at 6 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's going off at 10 p.m. at night. So I'm giving them a very long period of light. You can give them anywhere from 12 to 16 hours of light when you're growing vegetables. For other things, you may want to, you know, look that up. But yeah, so right now that's what I'm doing. And then if you don't want to use the timer and you just want to turn it on and turn it off, you can just hit that on and off button. So that makes it nice and easy, or especially because I can't really get to my outlet without crawling under there every single day. Don't mind this is what my cats did to my old bench. So now my old bench holds up plants. Yeah, cat life. The bunnies have to share a room with my plants now, and I think that this one thinks she's laying in the sunshine all day, in between periods of throwing her litter box all over the floor, which is, it's my favorite thing that you do. It's my favorite. Don't talk back to me. Oh, you good nugget. You like your fake sun? Do you like your fake sun? Say thank you, Mars Hydro. Thank you for my fake sun. Thanks so much for watching this little unboxing and first impression of the Mars Hydro SP250 LED grow light. If you guys want to check it out, I will have some links down below in the description box. Those are from the company. I don't get anything for those, but maybe credit? I don't know. But there'll be links down there, so enjoy them. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Mars Hydro, for sending this over. And I will see you guys in the update for this and in the next video. Bye. I'm an idiot.